Morning, guys. This is my oven for today. I'm going to be cooking lunch, hopefully, with my engine. So, let's pop the hood. And I've already loaded the roasting cage. We've got sweet potatoes here, Yukon Gold potatoes here, triple wrapped in foil, and a fire extinguisher at the ready. So let's see what happens by lunchtime. So I never thought I would be using my driving company gloves as oven mitts, but we're going to check the potatoes we've been cooking. Got sweet potatoes, Yukon Gold. Let's go give it a shot.
Oh, you're trying to take it.
Let's try the sweet potatoes first. Triple wrapped in foil. Hopefully they're cooked. Find out.
Come on already.
How much wrapping? How much wrapping? Okay.
Well,
Not quite done enough. Not quite done enough. Oops.
need more desert driving.
Let's see if the other potatoes are
Yeah, it's a little,
little under al dente.
yeah. Little out there.
So let's maybe if you drove all day.
Yeah.
These might be better. The Yukon Gold were a little closer to the heat source. So we shall see here. Al dente as well.
Yeah.
So consensus so far is this would definitely work, but with the setup I have, they should be cooking all day. So we'll try it again.
It's a bit starchy.